Good morning, Cebu!
Enough. No, I can't get enough. I'm falling in love. You're all I'm thinking of. Taking my time as some.
Hi everyone! So today, we're going to Cebu and I'm going with my other SK councilors, secretaries, treasurer, and of course, the SK Federation of Batangas City. And I'm really excited na isama kayo sa magiging Cebu trip seminar namin. Let's go! So right now, nag-aantay na lang tayo ng sundo natin para i-meet yung other SKs. Kasi sabay-sabay na kami pupunta dun sa venue ng pagkukuhanan ng aming service. Let's go! Hi guys! Hello! Pasan tayo? Pa Cebu! Mas mo pa ako. Raisa, pangarap mo yan, di ba? Mapupunta sa vlog. Anong masasabi mo? Nasa vlog na kita. Uy, I forgot.
Secrets we tell each other.
Ito na, oh. Pagkakata.
Come out
Uy,
more
nagkita
than
talaga sa camera mo.
safe
Ay, hindi pa natin.
on
Sana ibang hotel ka.
quiet times. While we rehearse, but it's hard enough to face the face.
Waiting.
Always staring at. There's nothing to be ashamed of.
God.
We're just being what we're
Saan tayo magsusunod? Sa nangyari kanina. Mamaya na lang
Let it
siguro.
come out quiet
Baka malaman ng mga tao
between
sa
the
mga nangyari
times
sa
we
amin. Tawag
speak,
lang kami.
between the times we think we know we're right, between the times. Constantly checking if what we're about to say is really what it's worth. Is it our 2 cents or is it nonsense? All these things that we've unearthed, but they've come from inside us and we can no longer hide this. It's bursting at our seams 'cause our dreams they confide in us. There's nothing to be ashamed of. We're just being what we're made of. And it comes out in the quiet between the times.
Ito na naman nasa vlog ko.
Vlog ko yan, ano ka ba?
Between the times we think we know we're right. Between the times.
Isang room man lang. So, sa ate, magkakaiba kayo, di ba?
We
Lakas naman.
Parang,
Kayo lang, kayo lang. Wala, problema ko kung available yung...
sino yung abangan natin? Sino yung abangan natin? Wala ko yung kasi. Okay, so ang iniisip namin ay mga kasama namin. So tinulugan lang namin ito isang flight. Natulog lang kami.
Para pag take off, itulog.
Let's go! Sarap ang tulog ko.
haven't washed my sheets, 'cause I still smell you in the bed you used to rest your head. How the hell am I supposed to see? Can we both face on deep?
Ano ba mas pwedeng dito? Ano
Change like the seas.
Hi! So, we're going to our hotel room. Let's go! That's 14. Yes, yes. So, that is our hotel room. Hi! Room check. My vanity. This is the numbers here. This is our with the shower. Our cabinet. May towel ba here? O diba yun? Walang towel. Here. Hi, hello, good morning Cebu. And today, magsa-start na tayo ng ating Cebu City Tour. Well, actually, na-cancel yung Oslo tour namin, supposedly. Kasi nga, due to bad weather. Kasi kagabi may mga orange then red rainfall warning dito sa Cebu City. Kaya, mas mabuti na kinancel namin. Pero ayun, as expected, uminit. Well, syempre hindi natin sasayangin ang araw kundi magsi-Cebu City Tour tayo. So, ayun nga, today, we're planning to go to different places then magta-try din kami Unli Lechon, yung sinasabi nila dito sa Carbon Market. Well, actually, kasi tomorrow, we're having a city tour din naman, last day namin. And yung hindi makakasama sa itinerary namin for tomorrow, yun yung mga pupuntahan namin today. Hanggang kaya namin puntahan siya. Well, we're planning to go to Tops, then La Vaporcine, Subo Mercado, Carbon Market, then yung Taboan Public Market. And titingnan pa namin kung ano pa yung makakaya namin puntahan. So, let's go! Good morning, Cebu! Hindi ko pa napakita sa inyo. So, this is the view of our hotel room. Yan yung view ng hotel room namin. Sorry for the maduming salamin. Well, yan yung view from our room. Sobrang init. Magbabaraks kami ngayon. Mag-Unli Lechon kami. So, here at the barracks. Ay, maghanap na kayo ng upuan talaga. pa rin ang kasama mo. Perfect! So, ngayon, nakasakay kami sa A-Line. We're going to Taboan Market. We're going to Taboan Market. Ano naririnig nyo kami? And mamimili kami ng mga pasalubong. And dala mo ka sa'yo. Ikaw, wala lang iyo. Mas mura ba dito? Saka kasalanan.
Forever to get a minute, just a minute of your time. If this is what it's like, I could get used to late nights, dancing my place. I could get used to.
Maybe I could be your stylist. Maybe I could be something more. Well, baby, it's always summertime. When I'm with you, that's not a lie. Well, maybe you could be my stylist. Only my 두가 날 위로해. 내 심장이 막 두근두근 터질 것 같아. 눈이 마주칠 때면 미쳐가. 매일 밤 가슴이 떨릴 때다. 너도 날 똑같이 사랑해줄래. 네가 돌아볼 때마다 고백 연습하는 나. I just wanna make you mine until the end. My summertime. 얼어붙을까봐 계속 서있어 계속 더있어 많은 사랑 노래
A few moments later.
Okay guys, i-update namin kayo. Real quick. Pauwi na kami.
Ako na naman. Vlog ko to. Featuring
Pauwi na agad kami. Diba? Diba? Wala nang click-click. Wala nang click na iba.
Ako pa rin.
Aeroplano agad. Uuwi na agad.